and gentlemen, hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to our channel Metaverse News Hub. Hope you all gain daily essentials and balance essential news coverage. XPoSat in orbit to study black holes, neutron stars. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, kicked off the new year with the launch of the PSLV-C-58 XPoSat on Monday. The PSLV launched the XPoSat into an eastward low-inclination orbit. The successful launch put India in an elite category, as it has become the second nation to send an observatory to study astronomical sources such as black holes, neutron stars, among others. 196 cases of COVID JN.1 reported. A total of 196 cases of COVID-19 subvariant JN.1 have been detected in the country so far, with Odisha joining the list of states that have detected the presence of the variant. 10 states and union territories have so far detected the presence of the subvariant, which the World Health Organization had classified as a separate variant of interest. Goldy Brar declared individual terrorist. The Union Home Ministry on Monday declared Canada-based Sathwinder Singh, alias Goldy Brar, an individual terrorist under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, UAPA. India and Pak. Exchange of nuclear installations. Continuing an annual practice since 1992, India and Pakistan on Monday exchanged a list of their nuclear installations under a bilateral pact that prohibits the two sides from attacking each other's atomic facilities. Jaishankar heads to Nepal this week. Power pacts on agenda. External Affairs Minister will hold joint commission meeting with his Nepalese counterpart, NP Saud. An agreement on the modalities of purchasing 10,000 MW of hydropower from Nepal on the cards. He will meet Prime Minister Prachanda. 2024 expected to be a year of Gaganyaan readiness. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, has lined up a series of tests for Gaganyaan, its ambitious manned mission this year, and 2024 will be a year of Gaganyaan readiness, the space agency's chairman Somanath said on Monday. No tsunami threat to India, says INCOIS. The Indian Tsunami Early Warning Center, I2C, which houses the Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, INCOIS, stated that there is no tsunami threat to India after a powerful magnitude 7.5 earthquake struck the west coast of Japan around 40 minutes past noon on Monday. Thank you for being a part of the Metaverse News Hub community. Stay tuned for more compelling stories, thought-provoking discussions, and comprehensive coverage.